Hello guys, I am going to show you how to install MySQL on your Windows 11 PC and connect it to PyCharm or something JetBrains software. So let's start. First of all, I downloaded MySQL. So downloads options, then going to MySQL community GPL downloads, click here and MySQL installer for Windows. Now I am selecting the latest version Microsoft Windows and MSI installer and MSI installer. So I choose this one. No thanks, just start my download. So after finishing my download, I'll be back. So my download has been completed. So, now I'm installing MySQL. After installing MySQL, you can open it through Workbench or PyCharm. So I will open it or connect through PyCharm. It needs some time to ready for installation. Yes. So here's some versions, server only, client only, full, custom. So I am going to custom. Next, then MySQL server. Then we need only latest versions. So MySQL server, then applications, Workbench, latest Workbench. Then MySQL shell. So select this one, Workbench and shell. So then next, then execute. Complete. Next I keep all the settings as default. Use strong password for authentication. Next, so root password. Password. Okay, let's try. So I don't change any options here also. Full access, user running, then execute. Now finish. Next, after setup, shell after setup. Okay, so finish button, pressing the finish, it will start the shell and workbench also. So if you check CMD, root user is as default and password is our default password. So close it and MySQL. So MySQL is not recognized as an internal or external command. So what we need to do, we need to program files, then MySQL server, bin, select this path and go to environment variable. So already bin is added, and also we're going to server and bin. Sorry, MySQL. So at Windows 11 you cannot change any value here. It as default it shows the disable. So what we should to do, we need to go settings, then system, then go to the about section. At about section you need to go advanced system setting. Then environment variable, then you need to change or add the new variable here. Okay, so new and paste the MySQL server path, programs files, then MySQL server, bin. So these locations. Okay. So if you open CMD and MySQL, so MySQL version is 8.0.34. okay, so its installation completely done. Now MySQL with our PyCharm. create a new project. I set it here, and the project name is new project. Okay, so create. Okay, I have no Python installed in our Windows, so Python all release. I need to install Python 10.9 because I have some projects using this one, Windows 10 installer. So I'm selecting this one, customize installation, then next, then install Python for all users, then install. So I'm so this is Python project, so just empty. So we need to connect MySQL, select data source and select MySQL, and the project name is localhost, user and password, user is root and password is that password you set at the installation time. So we need to install the drive, so I am installing the MySQL drive. So it's now complete. Now test connections. So connection is done now. So MySQL is connected and there is no table. So if you click create database and new project. Now if we execute it, then project is created and there is no table. Okay, so if you connect this, then it will work fine, and you also create it in here. So thank you for watching.